Hello and welcome. This is a short video on how to make obstetric reports using Emerald. A quick recap of what Emerald is. Emerald is a software solution designed by radiologists to help radiologists make comprehensive and accurate reports effortlessly. Currently, all ultrasound scans are covered. This includes all the obstetric and fetal scans, the abdominopelvic scans, limb Dopplers, and various small parts such as thyroid, breast, musculoskeletal, and so on. The focus of this video is the obstetric and fetal scans. So let's dive in and take a look at what templates are available in Emerald for obstetric scan reports. To start with, there is the early pregnancy template, typically useful if the patient is barely 7 to 10 weeks into pregnancy. The fetal node might or might not yet be visible, in which case this is the right template to use. Then we have the first trimester template, which covers the nuchal translucency scan, or some people also prefer to do an anomaly scan already in the first trimester. Then we have the second trimester template, which covers the anomaly scan, but also the TIFA or the targeted imaging for fetal abnormalities. Then we have the third trimester scan, which includes a regular or a growth scan, but also the obstetric Doppler. And lastly, we have the fetal echocardiography. So these are the templates that are available in Emerald for the obstetric scans, and they cover the single fetus case, but also the twins and triplets. So this gives you the overview of the different templates we have for obstetric scans and fetal scans in Emerald. Now let's go into what features are supported in these templates. To start with, we have DICOM SR data support. So DICOM SR data or structured reports from DICOM, these are the measurements that radiologists would make and note on the ultrasound machine when they're doing the obstetric scans. It could be fetal biometry or other such things. And any measurement that you make and save on the ultrasound machine is automatically fetched and included in the report, which means there is no need to dictate these measurements and then somebody to type in these measurements into the report. This whole process is automated. The second feature of these templates is fetal growth charts or graphs. So we currently support the Hadlock formula for this. So fetal growth charts are drawn and can be included in the report for various fetal biometry parameters such as BPD, HC, AC, FL, and estimated fetal weight. Of course, all of these are optional. You can choose to have any of them or all of them or none of them as you wish. In addition to this, we also have integrated into Emerald the fetal calculators from the Fetal Medicine Foundation in the UK, or also the ones from Barcelona. These are the various calculators such as the trisomy risk calculator, the FGR calculator, the preeclampsia calculator, and so on. For all of these calculators, which of course are optional, you can choose to use them. And if you choose to use them with just one click of a button, all the relevant measurements of both the mother and the fetus are automatically sent to the website. The calculations are performed on the website and the results are obtained and added to the report automatically. So this avoids the entire chore of opening up a browser window and going to the website, manually entering a huge amount of information there, and then copy pasting the result. None of that is necessary because the whole thing is automated and is available at a click of a single button. The next feature I'd like to draw your attention to is that you can also add ultrasound images to the report. So some people prefer to also have images from the scan made available to the patient, and currently they end up printing these images directly from the ultrasound machine and then having it as an attachment, if you will, to the report itself. In our case, the images can be automatically be integrated and they will be part of the report itself. That's another feature that we have. The most important thing is all of these features that I just mentioned are built on top of all the fundamental strengths of Emerald, which is that Emerald comes with a huge list of abnormalities. In fact, for example, for the TIFA scan, there are probably over 300 different abnormalities that are listed, and many of them are not just the frequently occurring ones, but also several rare and very rare ones are also covered. For any abnormality that you might select, you will notice that the text pertaining to that appears in the report, impressions are updated, suggestions are provided, and lastly, optionally, there is a small paragraph of information provided to the patient about the abnormality from a patient's perspective. So these are the features of the various obstetric templates. I covered in this quick video the various templates that we have and what are the features of these templates. There will be more videos coming up on our YouTube channel walking you through the templates themselves, be it the NT scan, be it the TIFA scan, the Doppler scan, and so on. So please follow us on our YouTube channel, and you can always visit us on our webpage as mentioned here. Thank you very much.